Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Turkish Airlines flight booking and travel management app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Turkish Airlines is an official flight booking and management app designed to make air travel more convenient for passengers flying with Turkey's national carrier. It allows users to search, compare, and book domestic and international flights directly from their phones. The app also supports online check-in, mobile boarding passes, seat selection, and real-time flight tracking for a smoother airport experience. It's available on both iOS and Android and integrates with Turkish Airlines Miles and Smiles loyalty program to earn and redeem miles easily. The app's main feature is its streamlined travel management system. Users can manage upcoming flights, modify bookings, and access personalized travel offers all in one place. Frequent flyers appreciate the app's organized interface, multilingual support, and detailed booking summaries that simplify complex travel itineraries. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate Turkish Airlines' sleek interface, fast check-in process, and accurate flight notifications. The integration with Miles and Smiles rewards is a major plus for frequent travelers, offering exclusive perks and faster upgrades. The in-app travel alerts and gate updates also improve convenience, especially during international layovers. However, there are some drawbacks. Some users have reported occasional bugs during payment or check-in, and flight updates may sometimes lag behind airport announcements. The app also requires a stable internet connection to display real-time data accurately, which might be inconvenient in weak network areas. In summary, the Turkish Airlines app may be worth using if you frequently fly with the airline or want a reliable, well-designed tool for booking, managing, and tracking your flights. However, if you need more flexible multi-airline search options or prefer offline functionality, other global travel apps might offer more versatility. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.